Okay, here we are with a common problem with tile and grout and these flexible tubs. These are fiberglass, I believe. But they do flex. If you sit in them or if you fill them with water, you'll see that they move. And almost everybody's grout has cracked here and they don't know what to do. I'm a big believer in caulk that has sand in it. You can pick up the same color grout that you have, but it won't look any different. It'll just flex with it. So when you stand in it, or if you fill it with water to take a bath, it'll just move with it. It won't just crack for you. Real easy to do. This one, we did half of it here, and here it's missing. All you do is you take your caulk gun and you run it along the base of it there. I always have a wet towel with me. I spread it out with my finger, and so I can push it in to that crack there. And then I take my wet towel and I wipe it off, keeping it smooth where I can. Takes about 2 minutes to do a bathtub. If you haven't ever used caulk before, it might take you 5 minutes. But it's a quick fix, and it's pretty much a permanent fix. And if it happens again, you just keep that tube of caulk from freezing and you'll be good to go. And it's got sand in it, so it doesn't look shiny or anything like that. Once it dries, it'll be the exact same color as this grout. Quick and easy fix. Thanks for watching.